A pleasant day to everyone. This is a short video that will guide you on how to use our SLED to evaluate our teachers. Step number 1, you have to log in. Alright, so once you are already in your dashboard, so this is what you call your dashboard. So this is a student dashboard. In your student dashboard, you can see your subjects in there. To evaluate your teachers, you have to go here. You have to use the tools. Okay, on the leftmost, there is a tools in there. You have to click. Once you click it, there is a choice in there. Fill up evaluation form. Then just click evaluation form. Then you can now start evaluating your teachers. But before starting filling up here, before pressing anything in there, what you have to do first is to select the subjects. Okay, so this is college. This is college student dashboard. So this is a college account. So you have to check first your subject or subject teacher to be evaluated. Okay, so halimbawa, folk dancing, this is second semester. I have to click this one. Once you have clicked your subject, this one will appear on your screen. Once these ones appear on your screen, you can now click here and check who will be your check the teacher that needs to be evaluated. Okay, so that is the teacher to be evaluated. Then you can now start checking or answering the questions. Once you are done with the evaluation form, the next thing to do is to submit. Okay, so here at the bottom, at the end, there is a submit in there. You have to press the submit button, and once you have submitted it successfully, then you are already done with your evaluation or the evaluation of your subject teachers. Okay, thank you very much for listening. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.